Hello everybody, I'm SuperMachine92. Welcome to another creativity episode of Speedy Creativity Birthday and Spooktacular. So today we're going to jump into the Spooktacular side. I was going to do it yesterday, but due to the birthday at bowling, I fell behind and I was unable to do it. But it's a good thing I decided to do it in the middle of the night. And also, Spooktacular side is at night. So today's character is the Night Witch. Now, the Night Witch is a familiar face as a guest in Speedy Creativity Season 6 as the last team member, similar to Crimson Cap Fighter and Birthday Dude, the Night Witch is one of the team members to transition this. So anyways, this is the first time I've created a female protagonist, at least on the Spooktacular side. So for those that want to see a female protagonist for any project, well, you're in luck. She's in this one as the Spooktacular's protagonist. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this creation. Now, although I wouldn't end things like this, I decided to add a few details just to make it more lifelike for our creativity for the Night Witch. And of course, I decided to create even more for a cool treatment for a female protagonist. She may be friendly, but if you double cross her, she'll cast a spell on you. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoy the creation of the Nightly Night Witch. She is pretty spectacular in blue and yellow. Good transition for the darkness. Hope you guys are eager to see more of this because I'll make another one later on this week. So I'll be doing some catching up to do. So hope you guys enjoy the creation. See you guys on the next one. Bye.